Hey, what's happening? How are you? It's Henry. It's Bistro Henry. I'm here in my wine cellar. For those of you who don't know, I'm in Manchester, Vermont. I got a great restaurant, and I got a couple other things going on. And life is great, except for the fact that we got a couple feet of snow on Saturday into Sunday. We had 10-15 below zero on Monday, and Tuesday it was barely 10 degrees. And yesterday it decided it was going to warm up to about 30 and rain. I mean like biblical rain. I'll show you outside in a couple minutes. I mean like frickin' biblical. All right. So anyway, I'm down here. Here I am. I'm in my wine cellar. Came down the stairs because we know when the ground is frozen, water's got to go somewhere. And unfortunately, water loves basements because water likes to go low. And you know, today my little topic is about having the right tools for the job. So here I'm showing you. Down there I got a sump pump and a sump hole cut into the concrete. And here I've got a broom, a push broom. And there at my feet we got water. A little while ago there was 3 inches of water because somehow, some way the sump pump was unplugged. Anyway. But the lesson in tools and construction and doing it right, here's the fun thing. Now you're just going to have to picture this a little bit because you know, the video is going to be a little sketchy. The sump hole where my sump pump is, and I'm going to feed a little water to it, is on the high side of the basement floor. Over there. That's the high side. Okay? What does that mean? It means no matter what I do, I get water collecting on the low side, over there. So, what that means is somebody somewhere a long time ago when they built this basement, they did not account for the fact that they were putting a sump hole in. They didn't use their transit level and tools properly to make sure that the sump hole was on a lower side and you had some pitch going to it to collect any water that might come in. Yeah, so my question for you today is, how many of you have the right tools, but A, don't even know how to use them? B, if you have the right tools, you frickin' use them wrong? And C, how many of you would like to have a discussion and or a lesson about what kind of tools I would recommend for whatever your circumstances? You know, I'm a varied guy. I will talk about anything. I'll talk about kitchen tools. I'll talk about carpentry tools. I'll talk about plumbing tools. I'll talk about a broom. This broom today is my friend because I don't have a squeegee moving the water over to where the sump hole is. But anyway, listen. You know, when I get weather like this in beautiful northeast Manchester, Vermont, whatever, the only thing I can think of is getting the hell out of here to the beach. Now, you know, I wouldn't normally do a little shameless plug here, but you should get in my direct messenger ASAP because the price of the beach is going to go up at midnight on Friday. Technically midnight on Saturday. 11:59 p.m. Friday, January 25th. Direct message me, call me, 802-688-6879. You know, to recap, I got the best tools. And I can teach you how to use them. But if you don't call me, if you don't reach out to me, if you do not engage, you're going to be wondering what I'm going to be talking about on Saturday the 26th because I'm going to be telling you missed it. And that's a shame, isn't it? Meanwhile, hey, I got to get back to moving this water to where the sump hole is because it's collecting on the downhill side and the pump hole is on the uphill side. We've all been there, rowing against the tide. Hey, you guys have a great day. Love you. And oh wait, let me show you what it looks like outside. Why not? What the heck? You know, I got nothing better to do here for a second. Yeah. Come on, right button. Check it out. Ain't it purty? Ain't it purty? Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So hey, on that note, I'm gonna take off. I wish you guys all the best. Thank God we learned our lesson at least once. If you notice, the wine is all secure. Nothing is on the floor. One time a few years back, we had water up to our knees in here. So we've been able to take the steps and use the right tools for the job. Anyway, see you later. Bye. Have a great day.